write the expansion of 2x plus 3 to the 5. With this binomial to a power, this power is not too high, and so I think using Pascal's triangle to expand this is going to be probably the simplest. So I need to my fifth row. Now my 0 row is just a 1, and after that's 1, 1. And to get each row below, we start with a 1, and then we add the two numbers above to get the next. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And then, of course, the last is going to be a 1 as well. And the next one, we start with a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus nothing is 1. Start with a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1 plus nothing is 1. And then our fifth row here, 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 1. Okay, note that you can read off the number of the row just from the first thing that came after the 1. Okay, so the exponent of 5 here tells me I'm going to use the row that has that 5. And those are my coefficients. So my pattern is I list my coefficient, and then my two terms here I'm going to have to different powers. I start off with my 2x to the 5, and then the 3 to the 0. And then plus, my next coefficient is 5. And now I have 2x. I drop my power, so down to 4. And then 3 goes up in power, so to the 1. Plus, my next term has a coefficient of 10. The power of the 2x goes down 1, which is 3. The power of the 3 goes up to 2. Plus, my next coefficient is also 10. 2x to the 2, 3 to the 3. Note that the exponents always add up to 5, which is that exponent right there. Plus, my next coefficient is 5. 2x to the 1, 3 to the 4, and then plus 1, 2x to the 0, 3 to the 5. Now it's just a matter of simplifying. So I've got here 2 to the 5th, which is 32, x to the 5. 3 to the 0 is 1, times 1 is 1. And the next one, I've got 2 to the 4, which is 16. 16 times 5 is 80, and 80 times 3 is 240. So 240 x to the 4. Plus, let's see here, I've got 2 cubed, which is 8, times 3 squared, which is 9. So 8 times 9 is 72, times 10 is 720. X cubed. And the next one, I've got 2 squared, which is 4, 3 cubed, which is 27. So 4 times 27 is 108, and then times 10 is 1080. And that's x squared. And then here I've got a 3 to the 4, which is 81. And then 2 times 5 is 10, so 10 times 81 is 810. And that's just x to the 1. And finally, our last one here, this thing to the 0 is just 1, so we just have a 3 to the 5th. And 3 to the 5th is 243. Oh, 243. So there's our expansion of that binomial.